The healthcare industry suffers from an inability to share and exchange information due to complicated agreements between shareholders. The outcome is an inefficient and outdated healthcare payment process that leads to millions in wasted spend resulting from claim errors and disputes. Now imagine a world where all parties in a business network have access to the same information. That means there is one version of the truth which is always in sync. IBM Blockchain Solutions can enable just that. Simply defined, blockchain is a shared distributed ledger that facilitates the recording of transactions and asset tracking for anything of value. The shared ledger allows all parties to monitor and analyze the status of an asset in near real time, enabling end-to-end tracking. There are 4 key dimensions of blockchain. 1. Shared ledger, an append-only distributed system of records shared across a business network. 2. Smart contracts, which are business terms both embedded and executed in a transaction database. 3. Consensus, in which all parties agree to the validity of a transaction and commit it to the blockchain. 4. Privacy, so that transactions are secure, authenticated, and verifiable. Another major pain point today is pending or denied claims due to missing or inaccurate information such as patient name, subscriber information, diagnosis, and procedure codes. The term clinical attachments is a concept surrounding the need for additional clinical information when a payer is adjudicating a healthcare claim. The basic premise is that sending a claim without all supporting data is time-consuming, costly, and challenging for all parties involved. Luckily, a blockchain-enabled claims process provides transparency in the claim requirements and reimbursement rules for all parties. If the agreements between providers, patients, payers, and government regulators were agreed upon and then stored via smart contracts on the blockchain, providers would know exactly what information is needed prior to submitting claims. Proper data format requirements stored on the blockchain would enable providers to easily format the claim data to ensure that all information is entered correctly. This clarity reduces or eliminates claims being returned due to insufficient information, thus saving time and effort for all parties involved. In conclusion, it's very clear that blockchain will play an increasingly significant role in healthcare IT and bring beneficial disruption and new efficiencies to every stakeholder in the ecosystem. It is vitally important that healthcare organizations understand and explore blockchain technology today to ensure that they are ready for the changes sure to come tomorrow.